It's your man Pat, Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm in the old slide and roller, and that's a Cinco hay tower. And I'm down here in Miami right now. I brought my homie down here to come get this car, and I'm gonna tell y'all a couple things that we're gonna look at and what you need to do when you're going to buy a car. We're gonna get into it right after the intro. So here you are looking at a beautiful 2011 Cadillac CTS. No, it is not a V, but it's direct injected and 3.6 and two-door automatic. And I'm gonna tell you why this car is super duper special here in a minute. But I just want to go over a couple things that you want to look at whenever you are buying a car. So we drove, hold on, how you open it? Oh, electric. Oh, so first thing, man, you know, you need your code reader. I've already scanned the codes. I'm just kind of skimming through the things that we actually looked at while coming. So this is my main set of things you're gonna bring. Well, you need a jack, a light, like my impact, but mainly this computer door right here. This is my little cheap boy. And we ran the codes just to make sure everything's good. And this is a quick 5-minute thing that you're gonna do when you're testing out a car. So first thing, of course, you want to take it for a drive or whatever, but he's cool with that. Come straight down here, have him crank it up, and look for any leaks. We don't see any leaks. Okay. Check our tires. See the tread depth. I also want to see if they're matching tires, which it says Zena. These are Michelin's, better tire, but they're not matching, so they're just something to keep in mind. Another Michelin on the rear, 265, 45, 18, and a Zena up front. So two different tires, but you know, just so you know, that's just one of those things that you're gonna check. Also, and did he lock the car? He locked the car. Okay, they went to the tag office to go get it exchanged. Pop the hood, check the oil, make sure that the oil is good. And after that, you test drive it. Anything else that you want to test, the minute details, like checking the transmission fluid is definitely important. This particular car has a sealed transmission unit, so you can't actually check it. That's pretty much it. After that, you make sure you're listening for any road noises. Now, if you want to do like a whole 100-point inspection, you will pull out your jack it up, check the wheels, look in the inside, see, all types of stuff. Cause like this particular car does not come with a spare tire. Most new cars don't. I'm gonna tell you why this car is gnarly and why it's actually a steal. It's all-wheel drive. And the crazy thing is, the people who are selling it don't even know that. So put it like this, it is just one of those little gems. You want to check everything and be as diligent as possible, so you can not only make an informed decision but get a cold deal. Because I told him, I'm like, bro, I would go and get one of these in a heartbeat. Y'all see what I'm sliding in. I like my gas mileage and reliability. Not that these aren't reliable, but it definitely ain't got the gas mileage. So crazy. But that's a basic rundown on how you check a car. You want to make sure you're checking the oil. You want to make sure you're checking the codes, listening for any noise or vibration in the drivetrain while driving, checking for any leaks, verifying the tires, and pretty much everything after that is just fair game. You can do it or you can't do it. It don't really matter. It's completely up to you. So I'm gonna go back in here with him and we're gonna do this. Like, share, subscribe. Questions or concerns, leave your man a comment down below. I'm gonna probably just build a template or something so you can take with you as a checklist. And if that interests you guys, let me know, leave it in the comments below and we'll go from there. All right, until next time, mi gente, vi from Mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.